this has always been my dream car, see?
McLaren.
McLaren, bro. Oh my word. So this is my dream car right here, the McLaren. Oh, and right beside it is a freaking Lamborghini, bro. So no matter what our car make, if you know own a McLaren and a Lamborghini in our life, it come like you know own a supercar. Cheese and peace. If you want your car to move from a ugly machine to a modern, new, pretty machine, you have to link up Skunk Nation. You understand? Yeah, man, over here, I say real. I'm not joking. This man will make your car come game, and when you come feed, you search feed. My word. So, when you talk about Kia now, Kia features them just different. Look at this. The touch of a button. Yikes. Oh, inside is beautiful. Look like we have like a 20-inch rim on there too as well. Wow, the inside is very slick. Wow. Shabashana, I wonder if we can get this one for Lexi today. Yeah, this is Lexi's favorite car right now, you know. It's beautiful, man. Love it. I don't know over here. The Range Rover. This is big. Like, I'm not sure if you guys can actually see what I'm seeing like in person. It's really big. It's way bigger than I thought. Bless up, bless up. Hi ladies, good afternoon. Can I take a look? All right, thank you so much. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Can you open the door for me, madam? Thank you so much. Beautiful. Yeah, man, BMW. So we know about how beautiful these cars are looking, the interior of these cars and thing, you know what I mean? Look at it. So we are very much familiar with the BMW, most of the versions. So definitely have to showcase majority of the cars that persons are not familiar with.
Sometimes, especially for novice drivers, sometimes it's kind of difficult to do the parking, especially when you're driving in reverse. So this car have that feature. As soon as you reach to the parking space, it identifies the lines, the parking lines, and then there's a feature on the screen where you press the spot where you want to park, and then the car park by itself. You just come out of the vehicle, and you press this button here, you press it here, and the car starts and park by itself.
If I scrape up off of the corner, when I go into the bathroom now,
I'm pretty again.
I would have dead if you ever.
But you know, say, all right, you see now that look how we are talking normal and nice. I see you in a run. I've been videoing you the whole time. It's Jamaica, Waba, come here. You're so nice. I love your vibe. I love your energy.
I love it too.
I realize that this company have a lot of nice workers and persons who are very, very informative.
Yeah, very.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
that is it. So I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. It's a YouTube channel platform. So the Jetour T2 is actually coming in at my favorite right now. So is it your favorite as well in the company? I see that there are a lot of other models. Which one for you?
T2 is my favorite. It's a very affordable price, 4-wheel drive vehicle, 2-liter turbo. It's left-hand drive, but that's not a deal breaker for most people. We're bringing in the right-hand drive in Christmas.
But the thing is about the left-hand drive, it's my favorite because almost most of my cars are always left-hand drive.
Wonderful.
Yes, massive. So blessings and love to all my Jamaica Walk By massive. Welcome to another episode on Jamaica Walk By. We are currently in the beautiful, beautiful city of Kingston, and we are currently at the National Arena. It's a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day, and we are all here to see cars. You understand? Whatever have to do with the automotive business, that's what we all are here to see. So if you're just watching this video right now and you start, please, I'm asking you to like the video. Let's just give a moment of silence for you to start liking the video. If it's a car lover, a vehicle lover, transportation lover, start like the video. No, we are wait. Come in, man, we are wait.
Hello.
Look good, let's do this. So yes, massive. So as I said, it's a beautiful day and it's great. So we are currently at the National Stadium as well as then the National Arena as well. And we are at the entrance of the building, right? Massive. I wasn't expecting the place to be this big, this packed, this full with cars every single way. So clearly Jamaica have a love for cars. See, I'm there with my general. You don't know, this guy, his name is Sebastian. He's all the way from foreign. You understand? Look good. Where's sir? How did he?
All good, Fabian. Thank you for having me here, man. Appreciate it. Respect, man.
Yeah. Where are you from? Tell her where you're from.
I'm from Peru, but I work in the University of Amsterdam. So hi to all the people in Amsterdam and in Lima.
That is it. No joke. You love it in Jamaica?
Yeah, I love it here. It's amazing, man. Super.
All right, so guess what? He will be walking with me today because he's my guest and we're going to have some good time in Jamaica, have a good local walk. We're going to look at some amazing cars. A lot of beautiful people is outside and trust me, we just reached. So we're going to show you the exact procedure as we walk in. Let's go.
Let's go, man.
Sebastian, you understand? So very cool guy, very handsome young man too as well. All my ladies out there. Yeah. Sebastian. Yes, I love it in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, it's amazing, man. I love it here, man.
That is it. So we just stepped foot inside of the National Arena, National Stadium, and let me explain the procedure for you. So listen, if you did not buy a ticket online, you can actually get your ticket the moment you step in the event, right? So the tickets are only $1,500 for adults, $500 for children. I think it's over the age of 12. I want to make sure, and I think children below the age of 6 are one of the. I want to make sure I get the information right. It's free. You understand? I'm gonna look. There's a price. So this is the bus. All right, this is it. Right. So ticket prices: adults $1,500, children $500, and children under the age of 6 are free. Right. So if we make no correction, that is it. So if you just step in the event, today is the first day, so it's a 2-day event, and the event is called the Jamaica Auto Show 2025. So today is the first day, so if you're gonna see this tonight, which will be Saturday night, then you will have a chance to come on Mother's Day, which is Sunday, because it's a 2-day event, which is the 10th and the 11th. You can actually purchase your ticket by the bus right over here, and yeah, and after you purchase your ticket there, then you will have to walk this side with your receipt to give your ticket, that's what we're gonna do now. Let's show them what the ticket looks like. So this is the ticket right here. So this is for 2 persons, and let's go. So this video is all about giving you the experience as if you are here, so you can see exactly what is going on, what is happening as we walk through and experience the natural vibe in Jamaica for a car show, a mad thing. So security, let's do this. As Sebastian said, so on the left over there, you will have food galore. So far, I can see jerk chicken, I can see soup, I can spot some that looks like porridge over there as well, based on a lot of things that I saw persons with as well. And you know, your regular juice and beverages, they are all there for the taking. You see me? So let's go through security. You know you have to get search and them look a thing here. Let's do this. Big up my teacher. Oh, me there, man. All this way. Yeah. Different. Yeah, we have a ticket already, man. Alright, blessings and respect. See, go and do it. Yeah, man. So far as I can see, verify that you have your ticket and all of that, which is wonderful. And coming up now, this is the where you will get your tickets QR code scanned. Let's go. So also, if you bought the ticket online, just lift up the QR code as you pass, and you're good to go. They will scan it. Good afternoon. Alright. So you get your QR code scanned, they will put the ticket in the box and then you put your armbands on. Blessings are yourself. No, I'm not giving my left hand and I can't make your left me out.
You'll see.
I feel like you're right there. Respect our manners. And that is it. For the entrance. You see me? And once you have your armband on, this is what it looks like.
Amazing, man.
That is it. Code now, man. And this is the entrance. You know? So we're expecting to see tons of new cars, modern cars, you know what I mean, older version of cars, everything, you name it. So let's just enjoy this beautiful experience as well. Beautiful so far. Sebastian, you ready?
We're ready, man. Let's go.
That is it. Let's do this. Not red carpet, but blue carpet style. Man. So cars are starting showing from the moment you enter. And this is the food spot. Machine. Machine. And yeah, your regular beverage, you don't know Pepsi over here, so what we see over there, so we see fireside over there, and you don't know ample place for persons to get their food and thing. You can sit down and eat and have a ball. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Yeah, let's see who else is here. Yeah, so big up the manager, the people them who actually put this event on, which is all the massive who have anything to do with the Jamaica Auto Show 2025. Yeah, it's a good look so far. So let's make it on the inside. So this is just a walkthrough video, right? So we're just gonna give you the experience as if you are here. So we're not really narrating and going details of all the cars and all of that, but we are just showing you the experience as if you are here. Sebastian, look on the machine. Machine, man. Machine. Yeah, man. I hear one. Big up, man. Wow, thing of beauty, man. Wow. And this is actually the original interior and everything on it, you know. So let's see what this says. Wow. Beautiful. Machine. So on this side, you don't know the jet tour them in business in Jamaica. Lexi, I know you're watching. This is your vehicle. You say you want one. I'm going to get it for you. Shabashan, I wonder if we can get this one for Lexi today. Yeah, this is Lexi's favorite car right now, you know. It's beautiful, man. Love it. Shabashan, if you should choose between this and the Aval, which one would you choose? Look inside of it. Look in there.
Let me check.
Wow, this is crazy. Big screen. Wow.
I think this is true, like right, man. Take a look, man.
Oh, man. So this is the jet tour. It also has the panoramic roof as well. Panoramic roof is there. I think it's a little bit smaller on the inside pertaining to the oval. The steering wheel is great. He start playing the music, so let me just move. So, yeah, I love it. It's beautiful. The Jet Tour. So if you want, you can scan the QR code on this one to get more details on it. Mad. Oh, this my teacher. That is it, man. Easy, no joke, no doubt. You don't know how far from the same place. You see me I say? And then there I look on the bad machine them. It's a good look so far. The most expensive car you can buy today. Bother with that, you know, I see, you know, bother make a crowd fool them. You know you're rich, you know. You know you're rich, you know, look saying like glasses, you know, you didn't call Dexter. Big up yourself, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's a bit G from Longville, you know. Me big up all my Longville Park massive and thing, you see. So these are the Jet Tour. Beautiful. Alright, this is another one as well. Yeah. So massive, we're taking our time. We're taking our time giving you some nice look on what is going on with these cars. There's a lot of them, but we're just taking our time going through. All right, let's take a look on this one. Nice. I always love these new cars. Interior. The interior is amazing. And this is just the outside, bro. We're not even touched inside as yet.
No.
And over here now you have the P series. I know that's a P series. And this is a Mitsubishi as well. These are more common cars that we already know. You understand? This is the Eclipse Cross. Yeah. So let me tell you. So once you have your armband, pretty much these cars are open. You can just step right in and take a look. What do you think about this one?
I like it.
You like it? I think it's sexy. The inside is sexy. And this is a Mitsubishi. Or Mitsubishi. Nice. And this one is... What car is this? Oh, it's a Suzuki Swift. Oh, and this is the trunk space here. Good day, ladies. Not bad, not bad. Beautiful. And this is the Range Rover. This looks like one of the newest Range Rover. Oh, we don't even... Do you know how to pull the door? What do you? Press this button or what? What do you do? Because you don't know these modern vehicles now, they are selling it for more and giving you less. So, let's see. This one isn't open, so I guess they're probably not showcasing the inside of this one. I'm not sure. But this is definitely, this looks like about 2025 Range Rover or 2024, maybe 2026. It is beautiful. Probably 2026, I guess. All right, so we're window shopping with this one. Sebastian, are you ready? And over here now, oh, we can't pass this machine. You don't know. Everybody I get a look at showcase. And this brand under make this one. You see me? ATV. Man, let's go on the inside. So this is for the outside. As I was saying, once you purchase your armband, come inside of the event, you can pretty much go inside the car, take the pictures inside the cars and explore, fat near eye and do the real thing, is it? You don't want to miss your step on the camera, you know? Yeah. All right, let's go. So big up to the sponsors as well. Sponsored booth. So you don't know, these are the sponsored: the Digicel, ATL, Ford, Suzuki, Kia, Change, Benz, JPS, etc. You don't know, man. So loads of people, massive event. Which door you want to choose? Choose a door. Which door you want to go through? This one? All right, let's go. So we are officially inside of the arena now, and this is it. It's massive. So let's start at one end and make our way to the other end. Wow.
And she will be telling you really and truly all of what they have to offer, what you're able to see when you visit the booth. And then I'll probably just ask her for one question.
This is it.
To ask her to
amazing.
shed more light on all the key things. All right, so the data over to you.
Thank you and welcome to the most luxurious brand in the house. The Jaguar Land Rover brand has
Wow.
been around for quite some while.
Very nice display.
And we are here to display
Let's show some vehicles, man.
the Range Rover Velar. Very luxurious, very dynamic. We definitely have a 3-liter mild hybrid display here.
I could show some vehicle, man. Wow.
We are having a 3-wheel off on all cars display.
Hello. Hi.
So currently,
Bike, on top of bike. So, I must say, once it be transportation, it's here. So over here now we have, what car is this?
and now we move over to the Land Rover
Wow.
Black
Clean beer.
SUV.
That is it.
SUV, the Range Rover, first ever displayed at a car
Wow.
show. So it's a big deal for us, and of course the Jaguar Land
G,
Rover brand.
you rub off the
Big
color.
deal. So we're over today with
Shine, a looking glass, I know, you know.
biography.
Cheese and peas. Pretty. Big up Mitsubishi. You know what I mean? Loads of Mitsubishi in the house. Look at the layout. The layout, bossy.
White,
Nice.
interior, and
Nice.
we know for a fact that Range Rover's main feature
So,
is
these are our commonly known cars and thing. Love how them do the decorations of it and thing.
comfortable, and it's the air
Yeah.
suspension. So Andrew
Wow.
just displayed the air suspension. with
So it's car show 2025. Beautiful. All right. This is it.
So while Andrew's doing that,
Let's look.
you have the 3-year
Bless up, bless up.
package or 5-year service package.
Hi ladies, good afternoon. Can I take a look? All right, thank you so much. Beautiful, beautiful.
For this Range Rover vehicle, it's at $41 million, but today, you book your
Wow.
basically by making a deposit, you can get
Yep, this is beautiful. The interior of this is really nice. Wow.
tomorrow or make a deposit tomorrow. Not only will you get
Wow.
35.6 million discount, you will also get a weekend getaway. However, the trick to that,
Wow.
you will have to
So these are the T2. These are some new vehicles in Jamaica. And GWM tank. This is a tank 300. Man. Machine. Wow. So over here we have the great man Democard himself. So this is actually my personal sales rep at Stewart. Big up yourself, my G. And then I didn't tell me say you forward. Yeah, leave you now. It was a great day. Let me see I take a look at this. Who there we can open it? So this is Democard Aleman. Yeah man, no say a word man. So I'm deal with some business. Zin, so this is the wow, beautiful machine. Yeah. Personal sales rep that, you know what I mean? Big up to all our masses there at Stewart on these beautiful vehicles. Lovely machine. Lovely machine. So if you want one of these, definitely you can just check out them at Stewart and you definitely get the chance. Love it. Wow, let me go on the other side. Let me see this one. What is this? GWM again. Beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. Big up yourself. Man. Beautiful. Inside of this is really roomy. Loads of space. Also comes with the sunroof as well. The interior, double display and thing. Nice. So it's a lot of vehicles, so we're just taking our way slowly going through, but we're not really lingering. We're just showcasing and moving. So big up again to everybody who has joined and watching this video. It's not a narrating, we're not going in details with all the cars. We are just showcasing simple snippets of the cars here. Yeah, as we go through. See? No big details and too much, but we're trying to show the most important details. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah, man. And let's show you the prices for this one. That is it, massive. So we are taking our time and we're going through. Love the decor. All right, so let's go on this side and make our way down.
It's a red Honda 5906 JR. Please remove your vehicle now. There's an emergency, someone has to leave. Thank you.
Big up my virgin, everything good? All is well. Yeah, but take it easy to see up on the work. One touch. Yeah, but we say that big up. Yeah, man. How you feel for them behind the camera now and now they're inside, in front of the camera? Different feeling. All right, shit. Big up our respect, man. We are sure. Big up, PG. We outside, see? Yeah, man. One touch, is it? Somebody say we just a vibe we are all today as we showcase some vehicles.
Energy. We also have Wint Auto on board, Scotiabank, Digital is on board, Pepsi is on board,
Suzuki
and JUTC as well. Remember, food.
You know, play with your clone, man.
There's Kitchen 24 Scotches, Fireside.
Big up my bro.
Slick Brands.
Yeah, Suzuki on this side.
Your beverages. I think they have spirits and so on.
Yeah.
But you can drive now, you know. Smith's Rum Cream is also here in Concourse 2. Bad Dog and Red Bull are also here.
Yeah. This is one you like.
Come on down, guys, to all the concourses.
Yeah. Nice.
And look at the
Sexy.
beautiful vehicles We have gas vehicle and we have electric vehicle. So you don't have no excuse. All right.
Nice.
It's the Jamaica Auto Show.
So this is the Jimmy.
2025, the biggest auto show in Jamaica. Right?
There you have it.
And it is in partnership. It is put together by Embed Entertainment Group. Miss
Suzuki,
Keith,
the
and
Jimmy again.
Wint Group. Back to you, Gabby.
Not working. Big up every time. You don't know one Pedro massive. So this is Pedro. Many to all of you who don't know, one of the biggest photography and video personnel in the business in Jamaica. Pedro. You see me, no joke, no doubt. All is well, you. That is it. We say gear up and things, so I know say you're working. Big up, no joke. Pedro, no joke. Yeah. That is it. So a lot of vloggers, a lot of business people inside of the place. A mad thing, you see. Suzuki. Yeah. As they make our way.
Here we are at the Kia booth, and it is a cheerful booth, man.
What do you think?
And we are about to unveil.
Say again?
This is a classic, a Jimmy. Yeah, I really like it.
Just more modern, right?
Yeah. It's amazing. It's a classic.
I just think the Jimmys are too small for me.
Really? No, it's a matter of like perspective, but I like it.
Like it. That is it, right? Yeah.
Definitely.
So we're moving along.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, boys,
Suzuki in the house.
future of driving right here, right now.
So this is it, massive. So I'm bringing it to you if you cannot make it, or you're seeing this right now and you want to come on down. Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, which is Mother's Day. You will get a chance to be here. This is the Aval 86. Yeah. Which one is this? Wow.
So let's start with what you can keep
So
your eyes on. With the EV
for the Aval 86, four-wheel drive leather 5-seat price here. Man. So there are loads of different versions of the Aval. So you will have these ones here, which probably, I'm not sure if this is the fully loaded one, but some of them are more fully loaded and they have a different look. Nice. The Aval is beautiful. The Aval boy, nice. So this is the Aval. Beautiful.
And so I'm sitting in the driver's seat, sir.
Aval 86, the four-wheel drive. Beautiful.
Hi, what's your name?
And also over here you have the Julian. This is about a smaller version of the 86. Man. This is the Julian. Nice. So this lady is actually taking a look. So let me just give her a second. Blessed respect. Alright. This is the Julian. Beautiful machine. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much. Yeah. Car show. Wow. So I'm gonna ask them a few questions, you know. And this is the Julian, is going at 6.5 million for today. Yeah. I realize that the Aval is actually drawing the crowd. A lot of persons really checking the Aval out. Yep. I realize that a lot of persons actually taking a look at the Aval.
Yeah, it's amazing. I really like it.
Yeah, it's big, luxurious, and very nice. And guess what? It's affordable.
Yeah, it's fresh, man. I really like how it's amazing ride.
So they have a few versions of the Aval. I realize they have this one over here. This is going for like 7.2. But you also will get a fully loaded one, and the prices go up based on the versions. Yeah, so this one is nice. This one is beautiful. This is really nice. Man, love and respect, everything good. Shout out the thing that might not shout out.
You don't know Saskeli, big up yourself, Saskeli production, is it?
Outside. Blessings and respect, man, no joke. So a lot of streamers are here. Watch I even car game.
Jamaica Auto Show 2025. We still have a lot in store for the lots of brands C2 and currently standing in the Jet Tour booth.
Bro, I drive.
The representative shortly. So think and stay for that, alright?
Alright, let's go. You don't know Land Rover. The Land Rover base. Machine. So this one is the Defender. Machine. Thing of beauty. You can't get that from Land Rover. I don't know over here. The Range Rover. This is big. Like, I'm not sure if you guys can actually see what I'm seeing like in person. It's really big. It's way bigger than I thought. Super beautiful. Wow. The display seems to be in 4K quality. Super nice. Wow. This is a big vehicle. Think you would wave your foot. Think you would wave your foot and it would be open. Yes, man. Beautiful. Driving house. This is what I call them, the driving house. Yeah, no, this part. You open that part. Yep. Yeah. So I have to close this part first. Beautiful. Nice. So, very simple interior, but very luxurious. Oh my word, beautiful. This one has the panoramic roof as well. Nice. For some reason, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm loving the other Chinese vehicle's interior than this one. Oh my God, I don't know. Don't cost me massive. This is a Range Rover, so this stands by itself, but I don't know. That's a driving house, man. And wow, this is like a smaller version of Range Rover. It's beautiful, really neat. I love that it's really neat. Sorry, much more smaller, but the interior really classic. But just what I observed so far, just a smaller version of that one over there. Yeah. smaller displays and stuff like that, but still beautiful. But if I should choose, I think I would choose this one over the bigger one for some reason. But this one is much smaller, but it just have a look. Still has the panoramic roof and stuff, but I don't know, this one just have a more sexier look to me. Yeah, man, you're good, man. Yeah. Wow. Sebastian, if you could choose between these two Range Rover, which one would you choose?
I think the white one, man.
White one.
It's great.
Have you taken a look inside of it?
Yeah, it's insane.
Did you look inside of this one?
No, I haven't. But
Take a look inside the smaller one. What's the price? This is going for $22,700,000. And this is a 2025. Wow, driving house.
super sweet, man.
Yeah, I don't know. For some reason, I think the smaller one is more sexier to me.
Yeah, man, it look more sporty, man. Like I think this is crazy. Like it's also like it's super clean. No, all the features like look more sexy.
That's what I think. It's still big, but smaller than the bigger version. Yeah. Let me see how much the bigger version is going for. Can I get a small pass, man, bro? Whoa! I just saw the price and I had to lift my head up. So this one is going for a whopping $41 million. So I can buy 2 houses with this one. Oh my God. This driving house is crazy.
Amazing. Like, beautiful.
Amazing. This one, yeah. This one is going for $41 million, bro.
Wow. A lot of money, man.
I think I grew up too struggling. Even if I'm rich, I'm not sure if I could.
No, that's too much, I think.
Yeah, I think for a car, yeah, for me.
House, man.
Yeah, I probably get a few houses.
Yeah, man. Get a house, man. Better.
$41 million you're looking at right there. That's crazy. Beautiful car though. Love it. Who have it can buy it easily. No problem with that. But let's continue. All right, so we are here at smaller cars, cheaper prices as well. On this side, where are we now? These are the Jet Tour. So these are new cars in Jamaica called the Jet Tour. Very beautiful, very sexy, very, very cost efficient as well. Very, very cost efficient car, these, and they are new to Jamaica, the Jet Tour. But honestly, I love them. The look of them, very sexy. You can't tell that these cars are coming in at much cheaper prices, to be honest with you. You know? Yeah, so let's see if we can take a look on one of the inside of this. All right. Yes, my boss, big up. Let me just take a small look while you're looking. What do you think about the machine?
It's good, you know?
Nice.
Yeah, man, I like it.
For some reason, I'm saying that these cheaper cars are just looking way more sexy and beautiful and unique than the more expensive car that we used to. That's just my thought. What do you think?
I believe so as well, because I mean, when I was looking at that one, it's the first time seeing Jet Tour.
Yeah.
So when I looked at it and I'm comparing with others, I'm seeing it does look nice and sexy same way.
That's exactly my point. Because this one now, for the price, you would think that this car would be a driving house as well.
Mm-hmm.
But actually, it's very affordable car here by the Chinese.
6. This is 6.
The Jet Tour.
Yeah, this one is 6 and I think that one is 4.5.
See? So this one on my right over here is 4.5 and this one is 6. A little bit cheaper than the Aval, but my favorite so far is the Aval. And when it comes on to space and the features, the Aval right now is still winning. Have you checked out the Aval as yet?
Yeah, but I didn't get to look at it thoroughly because there were other persons here.
All right, definitely check out the Aval 86 and then you make your final decision. Bless up and respect. It's Jamaica walk by saying respect. Yeah, and this is the other Jet Tour. Beautiful car. All right, let's take a look on this one. Good afternoon. No, you don't have to close it. Thank you. All right, so this is the Jet Tour. At a very, very, very affordable price. The Jet Tour is actually going crazy in Jamaica right now, to be honest with you. Yeah, definitely, I'll let you go. All right, so this is the Jet Tour. And yeah, beautiful car. So, to be honest with you now, when it comes on to the Jet Tour, this one over here is my favorite. This Jet Tour, I'm loving this Jet Tour. This is a bossy vehicle. So, if I should trade in the Aval, maybe I would go for this one right here, the Jet Tour. But my favorite so far is the Aval H6, the 4-wheel drive, the bigger version, which is really nice. But sorry, can I get? Thank you so much. So no, I just look and leave. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm not even going inside. Thank you. So this is it. Listen, this is it. All right. So this one is actually a crowd favorite. So let's take a look fast. Because so far, this is one of the favorite here. I am loving this based on the look of it, the style, how unique it is, very off-road, and it also has a lot of features. We're gonna be over this side in a moment.
Optimal driving quality automatically. So whether you're transitioning from a flat surface like the tour to an off-road surface, the vehicle can automatically tell you what surface you're on and give you the best driving experience.
Wonderful. Wonderful. That's a great info. Wow.
Do you have the right-hand drive option, or is it that these just come in left-hand drive?
So we got a price from our suppliers to purchase the left-hand drive, which is why we're able to offer
the left-hand drive. Okay. Wow, 7.9 and you will get a Jet Tour T2. I love it. Sebastian, if I should trade in the Aval, I would definitely take a Jet Tour, the T2. I love this. Definitely.
To the representative, Master Mario from Jet Tour. So thank you so much for speaking with me. And this is from Concourse.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk with this guy a bit. Wow, beautiful. Wow. So this is the T2, the Jet Tour T2. Very, very nice. Blessings and respect. Jamaica walk by.
Hi.
Me not take up enough of your time because me all natural and thing, you know. So massive.
You don't have to take up any of my time. I love your channel.
Big up and respect, man, no joke. I'm telling all the massive them, if I should trade in my Aval, I would definitely forward for this one. Right. I'm telling you that I'm going to have to hide this part out of the video from my spouse because she's going to kill me one day. Or me reach home and not carry it. Right. You understand? So quick. Just tell me like a minute of all this the perks and how we can get this specific model right now.
All right. Hello, Jamaica. Walk by. Hello, Jamaica at large. Mario 5 here, Jetour Jamaica. So here we have the Jetour T2, everybody's new favorite off-road SUV. I'm very happy to be partnering with Jamaica Walk by at the moment. This vehicle is available now, 2026, for only $7.999 million. It comes with a 8-year warranty, bumper to bumper, 8-year warranty, and 3 years of free servicing. So all you have to do is come on down to 49A South Camp Road, or you can contact Jamaica Walk by, ask them for Mario's contact, or come down to 49A South Camp, test drive your own Jetour T2 and drive it off into the sunset. Thank you very much for your time.
So when me can forward?
You can forward anytime you like, but make sure to bring your spouse.
No, you set me up. Look at wicked man. Look at me set me up. Then now me go carry her now, you see. Me have a level one spot and me a drive out one of this. Man, listen.
I think it's a safer bet to carry her than to leave her.
Set up my pocket, man. Jesus me. But trust me, it is a beautiful vehicle. It is not just luxurious, but for the price, I'm still shocked.
Yeah, man. So that is the main thing. A lot of people wanted a vehicle that looks like this, a vehicle that has the capabilities, but the price of the vehicles that are usually able to do that are usually out of the normal man's price point. What this does is it brings the four-wheel off-road capability closer to everyone. With a Jetour T2 this December, you can go and pick your own Christmas tree.
What?
That is it.
Yo, listen, I'm going to have to take you off here and get that personal number there because massive, sooner or later you're going to see me very quick and fast driving a Jetour. I want to can sign a deal with one of them and we'll just go and drive and promote it. No joke, no doubt. But big up again, bro. Yeah. Respect and manners, art I love. See? That is it. Take the number from me. The number. So, massive, this is Mario. So, Mario from the Jetour crew definitely doing a banger with the Jetour. No joke, no doubt. I'm telling you. Oh my word. This is one of my favorite vehicles. And I can say so far the Aval A6 and the Jetour T2 is definitely my ride. You understand? That's Sebastian taking the number for me because I'm a phone actually using to see what is going on here right now. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So we are here. Mario, blessings and respect. Hear that? That is it. Yeah, man. Yeah. So, Sebastian, what do you think about the T2?
It's amazing. Like Jetour, like T2, you should change it, man.
Yeah. Seal it now, man. That is it, man. I love my general. So, for the T2, I'm telling you, for the price though, like when you compare like the T2 to the other cars and the prices, it's a whopping, like you're wondering why are they in the same cost range, right?
Yeah, me too. Like it looks amazing. Like I like the style, and it reflects your personality. I will say, like it's wild.
That is it. Are you a car guy?
Yeah, I'm a car guy. I have to say it.
You like newer vehicle or older vehicle?
I like more like classic ones, but yeah.
Classic.
Yeah, man, classics. But this is a cool car.
Love it.
Yeah, I love it. It's well. I think it made you think if I should get one. Like
that is it, Sebastian. I'm going to see if we can get another look at it, like close, since that it's a little bit more empty right now. So let's take a look in there. But yeah, even the door you can see sturdy materials and stuff like that. Very, very sturdy. For the price, you really have to wonder. Even the interior, it still comes with the sunroof as well. Oh my word, it's beautiful. The steering wheel, classic, everything about it. This is also in the back. You have the leather seats as well. It's very roomy, very, very, very roomy. Let me go inside. And you have a massive display. Massive display. And as I say, the sunroof is there. You understand? It comes with the panoramic roof. Definitely the panoramic roof. Yep. The display is Seems like it's showing in 1080p, which is wonderful quality. Oh my word. It's great. Also 3D as well. So similar features. I realize most of these new vehicles are coming in hot with the 360 camera, which is great. Show you everything, even the sunroof that is open. Mad. Love it. 7.9 million. Can't get better than this. Look at the door at the back. Wonderful. Wow. So yeah, love it. Hi, good day. Oh, she's from Jetour. Listen, my thing is beautiful ladies are never shy.
And they have to scrape up off of the corner when I go into the bathroom now.
I'm pretty again.
I would have dead if you ever.
But you know, say, all right, you see now that look how we are talking normal and nice. And you see you in a run, I've been videoing you the whole time. It's Jamaica, Wabba, come here. You're so nice. I love your vibe. I love your energy.
I love it too.
I realize that this company have a lot of nice workers and persons who are very, very informative.
Yeah, very.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
that is it. So I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk-By. It's a YouTube channel platform. So the Jetour T2 is actually coming in at my favorite right now. So is it your favorite as well in the company? I see that there are a lot of other models. Which one for you?
T2 is my favorite. It's a very affordable price 4-wheel drive vehicle, 2-liter turbo. It's left-hand drive, but that's not a deal breaker for most people. We're bringing in the right-hand drive in Christmas.
But the thing is about the left-hand drive, it's my favorite because almost most of my cars are always left-hand drive.
Wonderful.
Love it.
Wonderful. Love
it. I wanted
fully loaded, 360 camera, wireless charging ports, voice activation for the windows, the sunroof, the AC, and the radio. Apple and Android CarPlay, fully loaded sunroof.
So what I keep on looking at is a vehicle with this caliber of features and the luxurious look and everything of it coming at that price. Jetour seem to understand the people and giving us not just a driving house, but I'm telling you, a very, very affordable one.
It is. Very, very, very.
All right.
Actively on the market. A lot of people love it for the features. And it's an opportunity for you to purchase a vehicle fully loaded for less than what
you can expect.
Less than what is expected.
That's it, definitely, and that is so true. So every person right now can own a luxury car.
Correct.
Definitely.
Yes.
And that's what I keep saying. The moment I heard about Jetour, I keep on saying that every single person will soon afford to buy a luxurious car at a very low price.
And we do have we have an additional model to the fleet which just came out, the X50. And that's 4.499 including.
Me I go run now. Listen, me, I want done my money. Where you want me to have 3, 4, 5 vehicles in my yard? Bless up, big up to Jetour, no joke, no doubt. Thank you so much for talking, man. And if nobody haven't tell you that today, you're super beautiful. Art of love. That is it. The Jetour. So massive. This is us walking through. Watch them, man. Yeah, man. It's too hard people, them, man. So I'm going to chew, man, with them and sell the big vehicle, you know? No worries, sir. Pick up my teacher. Yeah. Nice. So massive. We see if some of the sweet vehicle, them too, where most of us know and love from a longer time. The classic. Over here, so now you have a V8 turbo. Look at this, brother. AMG Benz. Look at this. And on the other side you have look at this. This is supposed to be a GLE. One of my favorite vehicles too as well, the GLE. Yeah, man. I'm so glad we can have no favorite vehicle. But over here, so now I don't even know if we can look on the one. This one is the Maybach. So there's a Maybach here as well. Real rich people driving house. A thing of beauty, no joke, no doubt. I'm telling you, bro. Look at this, Maybach. I don't see the price tag for this one. I wanna see it. Can I pass? Yeah. All right. Oh no, the price tag for it is out, so this probably not on sale. But OMG, a Maybach. I don't know the GLE over here. Beautiful. It's closed. Yeah. Wow. Let's see. Wow. So this is the GLE 450. And also you have the machine. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Super beautiful. Wow. Definitely a race car. Definitely a race car. Wow. Super beautiful. Super beautiful. AMG. Stewart. Machine. Wow. Yeah, massive. So you don't know, it's the biggest car show in Jamaica. You see me at the National Arena. Big up to everybody who is actually watching the video right now. You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. You don't know, you have the Isuzu over here. These are the Isuzu. You don't know. We are more familiar with these vehicles, these Isuzu. But also these are brand new Isuzu too as well. Different look, different style. Very modern. I can see a difference in them based on the older version that we normally know. Yeah, these are pickups. You know what I mean? 4x4 as well. As the enclosed trunk space. But what I realized, the new version of vehicles, which is the Jet Tour, the Aval, the Chinese vehicle, they are attracting a very big crowd. As we know, they are new, so persons are going to be interested in looking at them and stuff, because we're well familiar with the Subaru, the Isuzu, the Suzuki, and stuff like that. So, you know, we're going to try to see the new ones that we don't know. Martin, no joke. So let's just take our time and go through. Wow. But don't get me wrong, these Subaru are still beautiful, very nice, affordable as well. Let me see. This is the Subaru Forester 2004. What's the price on this? I don't see the price right now, but it's probably there. But I don't see it. But let's still make our way through it. Yeah. Man. Super nice. So these are Ford. These are Ford. Wow. Wow.
We have 4 concourses. Concourse 1 being the National Arena, Concourse 2 the indoor sports complex.
Some of them I can't get to see in because, you know, persons trying to see them. But let's see.
That holds car collectors, their display, and you also have concourse.
Wow. This one is nice. So I realize a lot of persons really going with the big display, digital display screen, which is nice. And majority of these vehicles are making with the panoramic roof. Really good. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. Beautiful. And this is a Ford. Nice. Also, you have the Ranger Raptor here. Yeah. These are really nice. Wow, really nice, really nice. Big up. So you have These are nice, really nice. This is a big seller in Jamaica too as well. The Ford Raptor. Yeah, people go crazy for this one in Jamaica. I love it too because it's big, it has space on the inside, and it also loads of trunk space, so you can carry a lot of cargo. So on this side now, we have the new vehicle in Jamaica too as well. These are taking the market by storm, no joke, no doubt. Also, hello, good day, good day. So we have, let me show you this one now. So these are the new vehicle as well. You know what I mean? No joke. Wow, this one is fully equipped with a bicycle on top. I wonder if they're selling it with the bicycle. Wow. Mashi, where's some G? You love it? Nice? That is it. It's beautiful. Nice display and thing. Yeah. I really love the front. You see me? Love the front. There's a BAIC. These are new vehicles here. Wow. Wow. These are the first I'm seeing this version here. This is the first I'm seeing. Aga, I didn't see it was you. Massive, do you remember this beauty? Oh my word, how are you? One love. I haven't seen you in the longest while.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. So you're here working with this. What's the name of this car company?
That's Bike. I'm not working for the company like overall. I'm just being a hostess today for the auto show. But yeah, they have some Chinese cars.
Beautiful cars.
They do. They are very, very nice. They are hybrid and gas and all kind of stuff. You can walk around, have a look. They're really, really nicely designed.
Thank you so much for speaking to me. But good to see you again, to run into you. Still looking beautiful. That's great, man. That's Aga. She's also a very, very, very big dancer as well. You must leave out that talent, you know. You understand? Make them know say you're a big dancer, you know. Yeah, big up DHQ. No joke. Aga, outside, man. Look good. Yeah. Wow. That's DHQ Aga. No joke, no doubt, showcasing a few of these cars. Wow. Wow. So that's the girl I met on Oak Road. Who remember when I met her walking from Arthur Tree to Oak Road? Well, to Papine. I was walking from Arthur Tree to Papine and I met that girl, Aga. I almost didn't recognize her.
We give you 6 years warranty. We give you 3 years service.
That is it.
Same stewards,
wow.
service managers, service technicians.
Sebastian.
For your Suzuki, your Mitsubishi, your Mercedes.
Yeah, these more like Jeep.
Yeah, it looks like a Jeep. Like it's fascinating. Like you like it or not?
Yeah, this one is new. I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with this one at all. This one is called BAIC.
First time I've seen this.
Yeah, it's the first time I'm seeing this one too. Yeah. So I'm not sure about this one. I was looking at it like, wow. I thought it was the BYD, but then I realized it wasn't.
Yeah, me too.
You thought it was a BYD, don't it?
It looked like it.
Yeah, this looks like it. Then I realized, nah, it's something different. Still sexy. How do you? There's somebody who works here with the brand. Blessed good day. I'm Fabian from Jamaica. Walk by. Respect. How do you pronounce this car name though?
Bayak.
Say again?
Bayak.
Oh, Bayak. Oh. To be honest with you, I didn't realize. I almost mixed it up for the BYD, but I realized it's something new. How long since this been in Jamaica?
Oh, this has been in Jamaica from 2023.
Oh, just the other day. So these are very brand new cars.
Yep, very new. 2026 models.
Wow, 2026.
Yep, and really good prices.
All right, so just looking at this one now, if I should look at it and guess, I would say this one is probably going for $12 million. How much is it going for now?
For 12 million, we can give you 2 of these.
For 12 million, I can get 2 of these. So what I realized, Massive, I keep saying that you cannot judge the price by looking at these cars. These cars are very luxurious, very, very, very cost efficient. By looking at it, you would think this car would would have to bring in your arm and your leg and probably a few of your toes to get it. But then I realized, no, you can probably just go in a savings account and come and buy one of these, and you drive out with something really nice and driving something in the area that you're living in.
Absolutely, and as I said, for 12 million, I can give you 2 of them.
12 million I can get 2. So for this, let's go and check it out a little bit and give back some change to buy some gas.
Yes.
I still get warranty and all those good things.
5 years warranty, 2 years free service.
2 years free service.
Yep.
So what about if I don't drive it a lot? So it's once it's time for to service.
Still, while you come in every 3 months, so we can service it.
Even though I don't really drive it much.
Yes. We still need to service.
Okay, wonderful. All right, make we go and take a look inside of it, man. That is it. So massive, this is a beautiful car. You cannot judge this car, the price, by looking at it to how sexy it is. I do. Thank you so much. Let's see. Wow. Man, you cannot judge the price by looking at it. Very, very luxurious cars. And everyone is actually coming with the digital screens. And as I said, panoramic roof. Whoa. I love this seat. This one comes with the type of bucket looking seat. Mad thing. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. No joke, no doubt. Wow, definitely a thing of beauty. All comes with the alloy wheels as well. This probably look like about 18 or such. 19? Or even bigger than I thought. See? So 19 235. Nice. Super. See? Can go up to 235. Mad thing. I love the door handles. They give you that nice modern style.
They are hidden door handles, so they're hidden when they are locked. You can also use your hand manually to open them, or you can use the key and it will unlock them. Wow. Just like what you see right there. So it gives that sleek look. Of course, the premium quality, as you may see the modern vehicles such as the Range Rover. So if you don't have the Range Rover money, you can stick to a Beijing X65, and that will take you to what you need to get.
But looking at this car, they won't think that you don't have the Range Rover money, because it looks like the Range Rover money.
Same, sleek and everything. You're good to go.
This definitely look like a driving house.
And guess what? Better too. It's a 2026 model. We only get it for $5.1 million. So if you're looking at a payback on a budget, probably less than $60,000 then, because they are variables. Less than $60,000 per month.
OMG. So massive, let me tell you this. This is a shocker for me, bro. So sooner or later, you're gonna see everybody will have the chance to drive a beautiful car like this at a very, very, very low cost. So everybody can drive in style when it comes down to the Bayak, right? How do you pronounce it?
Well, it's Bayak Bake X55. Of course, you can get it in different trims. This is the lower trim is for the 5.1, the mid trim is 5.799, and of course the premium, which is our top trim, we're looking at 6.399. So if you, for example now, the bank, if you're going to the bank, you're paying looking at about $75,000 to $80,000 per month. Persons who are getting a certain salary range, they want to be qualified. I'll say up to 3 times the monthly payment without fixed expenses, you should be qualified for a vehicle like this. So if you're earning anywhere in between $220,000 to $250,000, you can qualify for any one of the X35 trims.
Wow. Thank you so much, my boss. Want to sell some car? The car them nice, bro. Yeah, man, tell me.
All right, so my name is Revon Newell. I'm an executive, sales executive at JetCon. You can reach out to me for more information. If you need clarification, if you need assistance to guide you through the process, contact me at 792-1993.
That is it, no joke. So massive. Link man, you want one of them Chris machine, yeah? That is it. Him you need to link to. No joke, no doubt. Love it. Big up again, my brother. I love Jamaica walk by, see?
I know you're watching videos all the time.
That is it, man. Cool. Touch me again.
Yeah.
That is it, man. I love the ball. Nice. No joke, no doubt. So massive, we're going through. So this is the first part of the event. Let's go on the other side. Yeah, massive. No joke. Look over here, Sato. Whoa, yo. Watch out. Massive. This year now come with. I want to go on there, man. Watch out, man. Whoa, yo. Whoa, yo. Whoa, yo. Whoa, yo. Let's see if we can take a look on these ones here. Let's do this. Let's do this. So Toyota now. So, wow. This is the Yaris. The Toyota Yaris. Yeah, man. And also, what on earth is this? Whoa. Amazing. Whoa, this is beautiful. Machine. Yeah. I can't even tell if it's brand new or if it's remodeled or what. Let's look. Let's look. Man, this is beautiful. I'm honest. Let me see what it looks like. But they are try one type of remodel or a brand new. Oh my word. Machine. Christ. Look at this one. Fresh. Well done. She's peace. Roomy. Oh my God. Can live in this here. I was looking there a while ago. Beautiful. And then from the outside, right now, me to buy this. Oh my word. Machine. The Toyota Land Cruiser. Beautiful machine, man. Classic.
They don't make it like this anymore.
Never. Oh my word. Look at this. Classic. Classic. An off-road icon. Whoa. And then now you have this. Whoa. This is the Land Cruiser by Toyota again. Beautiful machine. So look at this with the tent on the top. Whoa. Yeah, massive. We are looking at these beautiful cars.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
Just so people understand, that is what it means to have a full
The Land Cruiser.
warranty, the entire vehicle is covered. We also have one standard.
Very, very roomy. Telling you, the inside is massive. Wow.
This one that you're looking at today.
Machine.
So it's just gonna
Let's take a look.
What kind of money we're looking at? Yeah. And remember, we don't know what about money.
Super nice. I love the interior on this. It gives you a little bit of a modern with a little bit of antique or the classic look. You know? Beautiful. Nice. So we just walking through my. Nice. All right. Let's go on the other side. So massive car show 2025. It's not over yet, but let's go on the other side. Wow. So let's check out on the other side. Yeah, this one is really nice.
Yeah, I really like it.
Sexy. I don't even know this car. First I'm seeing it. I don't even know what car is this, but this is different. Very nice. Wow. I'm telling you, they're doing a great job with these interiors. I'm telling you, slick. This also is left-hand drive as well. The car looks small.
Yeah, it looks amazing. Like,
But I'm gonna tell you something. It looks small, but inside is massive. Go and take a look at this.
So that was we have one more thing.
So it looks small, but inside is massive, roomy, right?
yeah, it's huge inside. I really like it.
That's what I think as well. So on the outside it looks small, but when you step inside, it's very roomy, very roomy. The Changjang. How did they pronounce this?
Actually,
Look
no,
like Changjang.
Changjang.
Changjang. Yeah. So, all right, let's start with this guy over here. Blessings and respect. Fabian from Jamaica walk by. So I'm looking at this beautiful machine here. First, I'm actually seeing it. First looking at it, I thought it was very small until I opened the doors and realized that it's not just sexy on the outside, sexy on the inside, and give me way more room. But then I realized I couldn't pronounce the name, so I'm over here saying Changjang. How do you pronounce it?
Changan.
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 Changan. How long have this car been in Jamaica?
We started operations on December last year.
Oh, December last year. So this is a fresh car.
Yes.
Very new to Jamaica.
Yeah. Fresh brand on the Jamaica market, automotive market.
So what are some of the parts that we can look for with this car? The perks.
Well, normally in the first 3 years or 30,000 kilometers, the dealership would cover for all of the service part. So after that, it's just regular servicing, brake parts, stuff like that. But in general, it's a very reliable vehicle, a very strong vehicle. It comes with a 1.5 turbocharger engine. Yeah, 19 rims, alloy rims. 19.
Oh wow, these are 19s.
19 rims.
Whoa. So far, I'm in love with it just by looking at it.
Yeah, man, the car look nice, man. And if I
like how you intertwine that all, the car look nice, man.
And it also comes with a feature, with a self-parking feature.
Oh, it's self-park?
Yeah, self-parking. We cannot show it here, but at the showroom, at All yeah, we can do a demonstration. The car, once you reach, sometimes, especially for novice drivers, sometimes it's kind of difficult to do the parking, especially when you're driving in reverse. So this car have that feature. As soon as you reach to the parking space, it identifies the lines, the parking lines, and then there's a feature on the screen where you press the spot where you want to park, and then the car parks by itself. You just come out of the vehicle, and you press this button here, you press it here, and the car starts and parks by itself.
So this car had the self-parking feature that once the parking spot is lined and it actually acknowledge the parking, you choose the one that you want to park in, and you can step out the car, press the remote on the button, and give the car permission to park. So for the price, what's the price on this model right now?
All right, the special, we have it at a special price now of 5.990.
This car is 5-something million. This car is 5. What did he just say?
5.990.
This car is actually 5.590.
Wow.
5.590, Sebastian. Are you kidding me right now? With a feature like self-parking and all that good thing, does it have? Let me see if it has panoramic roof. This one does have. This has. So this is actually panoramic roof.
Full LED.
Oh my word! 19-inch rims. What the hell? What did he just say? 5 point what? This car is sexy. I thought this car would be coming in at a bigger price range. Wow. This is a wow. Beautiful. 5.9 something for this car. panoramic room, self-parking, all those good stuff.
The styling is brilliant, eh?
And the style of it, and inside is roomy. Oh my word, look at that. Mad thing. Beautiful.
Like it was made in Italy.
Like it was made in Italy, bro. So I'm telling you, sooner or later, a normal person can have a stylish automobile. Easily. No more driving houses, man. That is it. So, bless up and respect for talking. Well done. And the name is Shangang. Shangang. That is it. So if we want to get more info on this, who can we call? Do you have a number in your head that we could actually call to get more details on the car? Or if you have a card right now? Because I definitely want to come and check out this car personally, because I'm in love with this car here. This is beautiful, and for the price range and for what it can do, I want to definitely go to the showroom and check this car out right now. I'm telling you, beautiful, beautiful machine. That is it, man. Wow. Wow. No joke, no doubt. Love it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm hoping you guys are loving it too. There's another one, and this is the Hunter. So I realized that the Chinese brand cars are coming in with a whopping style and prices. The prices are crazy great. So Sebastian checking out this one. This one is stylish. The interiors are winning.
Yeah, interiors are winning. Fresh.
Slick. Most of these interiors, we normally used to them with the most expensive cars used to have these interiors, right?
Yeah, man.
Choo-choo.
Now it's
No?
the level is up, man.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's one of the pamphlet. Bless up the teacher. A mad thing. Yeah, I was. This is one of them.
This is the new models that we're getting now.
These are the new models.
We have this pickup with this turbo diesel, 2-liter size engine, leather interior, leather seats, electric seats, a 7-speed transmission, a big pickup.
This is 4-wheel drive, yours, man?
Yeah, 4-wheel drive. Yeah.
No joke.
All right,
I'm loving this, man.
It's not really 4-wheel drive. It's 4x4.
Oh yeah, 4x4.
Yeah, you have 4x2, 4x4, and then you have the option to lock the diff as well.
That is it. That is it. So there you go. So for the number, I want to know, for persons watching, where we call to get more information on these cars and stuff like that.
See, all the information is here. Our numbers are A76351A5A5 or A76351A226.
That is it.
Right,
Can I keep one of this?
Yeah, man, you can keep it. This is a new models that are getting soon. Some of them are already on the island. This is how you call it, range extender electric vehicle.
Oh, range extender.
It's hybrid vehicle.
Hybrid.
It's hybrid. Yeah, it's an electric vehicle, but it also comes with a gas engine. So you're using the battery, and you run out of battery, then the gas will power the vehicle and the battery.
Mad thing, no joke.
So you have a combined range of 1,234 kilometers. That's combined the battery with the gas engine. That can give you up to 1,234. We also have this one. This one is fully electric, which is DeepAl S07.
Whoa.
So these are the specs. 190 kilowatts electric motor, 66.8 kilowatts battery capacity. It have a range of 520 kilometers. And then there's the torque, 320 Newton meter or 218 horsepower.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
We are getting this one, which is also SUV. The size is bigger than the Unity, the one I used. I showed you before. Yeah, this one is also with a 1.4 liter turbo. These are the specs, and it's a bigger size. Like
bigger size.
If your family bigger, you want more boot space also, that this is another option.
So does it does the same thing? It does this one have the self parking and things like that? Because that's one of the features that win for me.
No, I think that the self parking is exclusive for the Unity.
Okay, I got you. This one is a Hunter.
Yeah, we are getting this Hunter, but this is a range extended electric vehicle as well.
Wow.
So it have a 1,031 kilometer combined range. The electric motors plus the gas engine.
I love the hybrid version of these vehicles. Super nice. So Massive, we have the WhatsApp number. So if you want to get way more information, definitely link them on WhatsApp at 876-351-8585 or 876-351-8226.
Yeah.
Mad respect. And the name of the car again is?
Which one?
The company,
Changan. Our showroom is at 74 All Over Road.
Oh, 74 All Over Road.
Yes.
That is a respect and thank you so much for talking, man. Trust me, man. Definitely gonna pass through.
We can do test drive, everything you want, show you all the specs of the vehicle. Because right now, because of we are doing an interior, we can now really show all of the specs of the vehicles. And especially do a test drive because the vehicle drive very, very, very.
I can tell.
Very nice. That vehicle drive.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I'm definitely going to come and check it out because I'm in love with that car. So thank you so much again for talking to me. It's Jamaica Walk By. That is it, my teacher. Big up and respect, bro. So there are some of the cars here that are winning for me. This one is definitely one of them. I'm in love with it, and it's drawing the crowd right now. Based on the price and what it does, is just amazing. So let's go. Oh yeah, man. Beautiful. Oh my word, it's crazy. All right, so let's see. Yeah, I was looking if they have it on the other side as well. But let me ask that here. So let me check. This is just where all the cars are at?
No, there's another part.
On the other side?
Yeah.
How do we get on the other side again?
I'm trying to find right now.
Yeah, I normally know we could go through one of those entrances. One down there? Yeah. Okay. So I was looking to see where we could go to the other cars. So there's trucks and stuff here as well. But Massive, you're watching this now, which is if you're watching this and it's a Saturday, and tomorrow is Mother's Day, you're gonna have the chance to come down here Sunday to check these cars out. See? So this is a 2-day event. I'm gonna be dropping this one early so you can get a chance to watch it the following day, which is Mother's Day, because today is a Saturday, so you will have the chance to come on down for Mother's Day to check these cars out. Rasta man, big up yourself, my bro. Yeah, man. So we are currently on the outside, and this is what is going on the outside here at the car show. Yes, me I say. So what do we have here? We have the fresh motors out here. So we're currently on the outside. Loads of other cars are here. I'm not sure what car is this. Let's see. This one is slick. The inside of this is slick. Wow. Let's see on the other side. Even the wheels a bit different. Oh no! Where's the engine? The engine! Oh my word, this is different. This looks like something you will find in RoboCop, bro. This is slick. The interior is super cool. Wow. Definitely giving me a Ferrari type of feel interior, to be honest with you. Blessings, good day, good day, good day. I don't know this one, and it also nice room space at the back. Super nice. Wow. What car is this? Bless up, bro. Everything went flash. All is well. Yeah, man, no joke, no doubt, man. Whoa. Look at this one. So the Chinese definitely taking over with these cars, I'm telling you. With some superb cars. All right, let's go on the other side. We're going on the other showroom. Whoa. All right, let's go. Manners. Let's do this. Yeah, massive. It's a great vibe. So, all right, so in collaboration with Skunk Lifestyle, big up one Nick Low, no joke, no doubt. So we're on the outside and more cars now. It's the antiques type of vehicle on the outside. Beast mode. But these cars are just definitely showcasing machine. Oh my word. Beast mode. Machine. I could go down the line now, man. Yeah. Look like me have to do that video here in a tow. Jaja know beast mode. Machine them out. Blouse and skirt. Watch out, man. Look good now, man. You not see beast, look good. Machine now, man. Blouse and skirt. I drive this drive. Look here. Lord of mercy. Beast carried up on the ground. Why? Jaja know. Chairman. Beast. Don't know. Classic Skyline. A machine, man. Classic Skyline, bro.
I love this car.
GTR, bro. Machine. Classic. Got it? That is it. GTR. That is it. Low machine, bro. Classic. Whoa, look good. Sorry, my friend, so sorry. Oh my, oh, look on this now. Alright, so this has always been my dream car, see? McLaren, bro. Oh my word. So, this is my dream car right here, the McLaren. Oh, and right beside it is a freaking Lamborghini, bro. So, no matter what our car make, if you know own a McLaren and a Lamborghini in our life, it come like you know own a supercar. Cheese and peace. McLaren, brother.
Lamborghini, man.
A Lamborghini, really nice. Beautiful machine, man. Classic. McLaren and the Lamborghini. Also, you have another McLaren over here, all black. Oh, you mean? Nick! I eat, man. Food time, bro. At this time, but them a day we don't eat. And these days we don't eat. Mario Wang. I would have Mr. Wang. Yo. Massive, no joke, no doubt, man. Mr. Wang. The great Mr. Mario Wang, loan minister. So massive, and my general this year. This is my business personnel. Sebastian, meet Mr. Mario. This is the guy that made my Aval possible. And a lot more things I'm going to have to talk about when it comes down to this guy.
I come from Peru, but I live in the Netherlands.
Peru? But the loans to Peru people too, you know.
Yeah, man.
Peru want a house in Jamaica.
That's amazing,
Let them
man.
know so they can get it.
Have you been there or not?
No,
You
not
have to travel to Peru.
Yeah, not yet.
It's an amazing country.
In summer.
So massive, this is Mr. Mario, Loan Minister. Massive, y'all need to check out the Loan Minister on Instagram. Shot him a message right now for y'all watch him. You want a bad machine, you want a car, no matter the cost, him will do the assessment and sort out it. Mortgage, massive land, house, apartment, any one of them, Mario. This is the guy. After I hear Jamaica walk by, said, this is the guy that I use to do all my business. Every single one of them. This is the man. So, when you hear from me, say, you know, see me the bad machine, you know where me get it from. This is the man. You understand? Crazy. Come on, talk to them.
What you know now? The last say, no, me was just Loan Minister, you know, see?
Yeah.
But now we have driving 5.
Oh my
So if you want to carry now 5 days, 5 minutes, 5 weeks, line up, sign up. Can't go wrong.
So tell, give them the number as who wanted them can call it right now.
Well, the number is 876-410-2788. That's 876-410-2788. And you can go up on the website, theloanminister.com. And as the boss said, Instagram, Loan Minister, TikTok, Loan Minister.
That is it, the great Mario. So massive, this is the man. You know, tell you, I'm going to do a special video for Mario. We talk about business and how you can own your car or your house, your land. To make you be, now, if you're a man, make you be a big man. And if you're a woman, you want to be a big woman, yeah, we're going to let you talk to this guy right here, Mario Wang, the Loan Minister.
There's a lot of information you guys are going to need. And you know what, I got town and they're going to have a 3 bus. You understand? So guess what? I'm going to line up everything for you and make sure we set you up for success. See? So, big up yourself. Walk by. Jamaica walk by, right? Big up yourself.
Big up every time, my boss. We link up, is it? No joke, no doubt. Yeah, man. Great man, great man, great man. How Nick gone? Nick look like he lock up. All right, no joke, no doubt. We pass through and thing. Yeah, so at the pies. You see how my people know him, so this is the pies. Look on the pies. This is the pies. Nick! Oh gosh, massive. See my brother here. One Nick, Skunk Nation. You don't know Jamaica walk by massive. I second time I probably have seen by one of my program. Me always say in my video them say, me I go come link you. And me go get 2 pull out I pies. And I know we not reach it, but me know say me have to go link you for me to arrange that massive. Cheese and paste, man. And the cool dude, and the bad car driver, and the bad machine owner, and the man who did the whole of the car. Listen, Nick Lou does not deal with fast car. If you want your car to move from a ugly machine to a modern, new, pretty machine, you have to link up Skunk Nation. You understand? Yeah, man over here say real. I'm not joking. If this man will make your car come give him, and when you come feed, you search feed. Yeah, if you want to have the baddest BMW, you have to check this man here. Remember, you can't come give me now. And when you come back feed, you search feed. You can't find it. And you might say, no man, I machine this. And you say, no man, I can't eat this here. I guess you have to start worrying about if you can pay your feet and I free you. Yeah, I think this man, I'm a G. Jamaica walk by massive. You know we not talk breeze. I love me, G. You see me, I say, boy, you bling out to the door. Jesus Christ, you make look heavy. Oh, you mean? Man, the part where you going now? Tell, big up the teacher, man. Yeah, a celebrity, man. Take picture, man. I want you, man. A rich man, man. Oh, you mean? I want Nick Lou. Yeah, bro. I want great man in a Jamaica, man. We can't go around that. You see me, I say, no joke. All of the beasts, them, and the bad machine, them. Look, man, trophy for days. A bad car, who won the car? Blows and skirt. Bad machine outside for days. Look good. Blows and skirt, that's what I stay. No joke, no doubt. We're outside having a great ball. I look for some bad machine, bad car. Whoa, look good. No joke. Jeez. Let me see, what is this? My girl, shift over your neat body, no man, chalk. You know, sir, in a rock stone, look at who this is. Big up and respect, man. Great, man. Everything good. You there? Big up and respect, man. No joke. No, I'm a Jamaica walk by massive, man. Big machine. Team Mobile Racing. Cheese and peace. Beast mode, beast mode. I say the girl have a neat body in her camera, I can't get the pass, see? And some of my camera staying and I like pass the nice beautiful ladies them, you know. You see it, look good. Lord, we just a record show, we just a record show.
And this time, we're gonna get
Listen, man. Anybody ever tell us say you're tall and beautiful? Eh? Anybody ever say same thing to you, say you just come out? Eh? Look at Bashino. Why you not come out so much? Eh? How do you just come out so? Lord and Pete, hey, how do you just look rich? I be a superstar, you Jamaican? You Jamaican too? Why look like you man long Italy? And long Rome? Oh my word. Are you ladies them? Oh my word. Look, why them look so good? Jesus, peace. Outside, man. They just look like one dolly. Oh my, I'm Fabian from Jamaica walk by. That is it, man. Take it. Do you mind shouting out yet? I mean, see one man. There's a walk and there's a showcase with Island. Boy, you come out, you know, Jesus. It's a beautiful lady just strength from beauty. Oh my word. Watch out, man. Me see where they get it from. So, what is going on though? Let me see. Miss Universe of Jamaica Central. Oh, and she is, let me see what's on discussion. Miss Universe Jamaica West. Oh, my word. Let me see what's on. Miss Universe Jamaica North or Northwest. And then we have Northeast. Oh, my word. But you know, I realize now, I want to win, right? You know, I realize that all I know something in common. Oh, that's beautiful, so bad thing, man. Big up on yourself, see? That is it. One love. One love. Oh, you mean? Nice.
to the left.
Beautiful. Nice. Look good. We're there.
Right foot, left up.
Ah, mad thing, man.
Right foot again. Left foot again.
They machine them out. I hope we not get no copyright, you know, because you don't know a thing. So I have to make sure I talk over some of them music, you know, because G's and peace. What we have here, sir? Oh, you're not taking a picture. Jaja, no. Porsche. Beast mode. Ever. One in a one. No joke, no, don't respect my teacher. Oh, you mean? But they look on the machine, them. Lord of mercy. Me even want to look on this. Cheese and peace, man. How far carry this? And this them call it drop jazz in Jamaica. Sebastian, and this you call it drop jazz in Jamaica. You know what that means?
Yeah, man. Of course.
You know what drop jazz mean?
No.
Yeah, this is the car you used to get all the ladies. You were talking about the Honda.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Beautiful. Machine. On the belly. Classic. Super nice. Oh my word. So Sebastian, what do you think so far about the car show?
It's amazing, great experience. I love it.
Yeah, people them really love cars, as you can see.
Yeah, people here are crazy about cars.
Yeah, man. So massive. Yeah, man. We just walk through CM Speed. There are a few other cars here that we haven't looked at. We're going on the other side and just holding a vibe. You see me? Yeah, bro. Mad. Crazy machine. Me not tell you. This is nice. This have now the Jamaican color. Peace. This is a Toyota. Whoa. Yeah, man. Good. You got it, bro? Cool. Man. A mad thing, man. Classic.
Them know says paint and a wrap.
Oh, yeah, tell me say this and a wrap.
And a wrap, paint. Them know say paint and a wrap.
I want me there, I wonder who own the car wrap. Oh, yeah, tell me, say.
Man.
The general just tell me, say, these are not wraps, they are painted.
Yes.
So, let me correct myself, and a wrap, a paint. This car actually, how do the work? You do the work? Jesus. Well, I don't see the money, man. So, Tuna Imports, I deal with them great work here. Massive. Paint. Oh, no, look good. beast mode chipping. Jajano. So big up to Tuna Imports and doing them amazing work here. Man, I tell you, these are not rock massive. I paint them paint. By hand. Big up and respect, man. Great work. You see me? Tuna Import. Big at that. Mad respect. Here me teacher. Massive. Find it again. Pretty. Whoa, yo. No joke, no doubt. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Machine like, whoa. Mad thing, massive. I hit, man, I hit, man, I hit. So we just go through massive. Check out the car, them and thing. It's a great vibe. It's a great, great day. I'm telling you. Ooh. We have the bad machine, Mr. Bean over here, so you know, G's and peace. Crazy. Beast mode. Oh, wow. Boy, may I tell you, the Lamborghini, boy. Shajano. That is it. So a while ago I was passing and I bumped this beautiful lady here while she was. Let me render her some shade from the sun. See them block the sun for you know, so me pay back my debt, you know. So she draw the McLaren artwork style. Wow. No joke. Me a block her sun a little bit as she get to see properly and go and draw. Nice. Look good. Big up yourself and respect. Do you on Instagram? Can I give your Instagram a shout out?
Sure. It's Tony Macaron. That's TONIMACARHONE.
Alright, big up yourself and respect, alright? It's Jamaica Walk By. You can see this tonight. Art of Love. So yeah, massive. We take time I go through. I'll show you the beast them. Bad machine, man. No joke, no doubt. Oh, you mean? So the vibe down here is really nice. Great energy. People just there just get a good vibe. I look on some bad car, bad machine. I'm telling you. Some of them carrier you can't classify them as car, you know, brother. I don't carry them in a different sitting, man. God no, carry them up on the inside. Them have some different sitting. Them have machine. Cheese and peace, man. Oh my word, man. And that me just gonna say, then I say, then I him this. They look good, then I him this. Look at him. Then I him this. Big up every time, my teacher. What you say? Are you drive a machine? Yeah. Are you drive a transformer? Yeah. God, this is not a car. You can't call this car. Oh my word. Xander Williams. Big up every time. Wait, you Williams boy? You Williams son? That is it, man. No joke. Oh, we can find it on Instagram.
Sis, at Xander Williams Racing. That's all.
Right. See him. Oh, see on the Instagram. Right. That is it. So you can scan it, the QR code as well. So it's Xander Williams Racing on Instagram. Check out the G. No joke. I him drive that transformer here. Cause this is not a car. You understand? You can't look on this and call this a car. This is not a car. Me drive a car. This man drives something else. This man drive a transformer. You understand? Looking at this. You see nothing at this way inside over there, sir? Not even steering wheel. You see the steering wheel? yeah. Me can't take out my steering wheel and put it on the dashboard. This is a machine. Yeah, they look on him, see now in the poster. Mad thing, man. Oh my word. Yeah. Xander Williams. Big job. My boss. May I ask you 2 questions? Man says a bike. Listen now. How old are you?
I just turned 19 today.
You just turned 19 today? Yeah. Blessed earth strong, me G. Yeah. Cause you know why me ask how old are you? Because I realize me I look on that and I say, you drive. I say, no, one little boy this. How if you drive this a machine? So how long you drive?
Well, I've been racing go-karts most of my life, since I was 6 years old.
Man, yes, you know, I've been driving go-kart most of my life. Boy, you're only 19. You didn't even start living.
I'm 14 years now, so.
Well, 14 years is a very long time still, you know, if you look at, if you think about it.
I've been racing the cars for 2 years now.
Oh, you've been racing this one?
Yes, so I started in cars last year, and I had one race meet so far this year.
So you only race in Jamaica?
Yes, well, hopefully in the future, if I get a little bit more sponsorship, I can hopefully go into, international racing.
Yeah, so what you hoping to achieve from driving car? You want to be like the next Lewis Hamilton or bigger than Lewis Hamilton? Which one? Tell me.
Well, I mean, Lewis Hamilton is that stretch. That's where everyone wants to be. But I'd love to just be like international racing, sports car, or anything like that. It's just for the love of the sport, you know? So anything I'd be happy.
I'm going to tell you this right now. Me have faith in you. You see, in my time, we used to have car games that we always talk about Michael Schumacher. You understand? I like Michael Schumacher. And then now everybody talking about who?
Zander Williams.
They might talk about Lewis Hamilton. See, I'm not going to talk about Lewis Hamilton. You know who them going start talk about now? Zander Williams.
Zander Williams.
That is it, man. So it's stages. Once you see it, you will there, man. You understand? Enough of them drivers never know say them that go so big, you know. But you have to make sure go hard. If you hear Lewis Hamilton's story, I'm telling you how struggling he used to be. I see him up there now. Me have faith in you, G. Are you a Jamaican?
Yes.
Man here?
Born and raised.
Man and raised a Jamaican?
Yeah, man. I go to Campion.
That is it. Which side of Jamaica you fall from?
Kingston.
Kingston?
Yeah, man.
Uptown youth? Yeah, big up Zander Williams. Me not tell a lie. Great guy, great personality. Real big car my drive. And as you can see, him a do him thing greatly. So make we support him. Go and check him out on Instagram. Follow him Instagram page and make we give him some support and say go and drive you. Respect. A Jamaica walk by, see? That is it, man. No joke. Yeah, man, no joke, man. You gotta do it, man. Just remember me every day, man. See? Jamaica walk by. He did tell you say you're gonna be a great man tonight. Me I tell you, 19-year-old you go answer?
Yes.
That is it, you. Happy Earth Strong too.
Thank you, bro.
Respect, bro. Yeah, man. Zander Williams, bro. Big driver. Here, car up, there's a start, man. Hear the man? A Nick. Mad, a dry crowd. Hear the man? But go check out Nick and go and bust 2 shots. Yeah. Ma. Bodo. Oh, it's the McLaren. Oh, it was the McLaren. Ma, that was cool. Mad. That was cool. Some shot at boss, Nika. Yeah, I wonder if Nika go deal with it. A mad thing. The vibe is nice. I'm going to say what Nika go on with up there. So this is the vibe here at the car show. You don't know, a bit of excitement and thing, you know what I mean? Exhaust are go and blaze. Yeah. Whoa. And that is the Poison. So yeah, that was a crazy vibe. Getting some exhaust, burn off. You know what I mean? Really sweet. So yeah, massive. Car show, nice. Oh my God, I didn't even realize I would be filming this long, but The vibe and the energy is amazing. And there's so much here still to show. So everybody we are joining right now, you know what I mean? Blessings and respect. Whoa. Even heavy duty equipment. Mad. Bad vibes. Mad thing, man. That is it. So, cars on top of cars everywhere, brother. Massive events. So you see, out here you can actually get food, drink, and a variety of everything. So you don't know, you can follow the belly and come look. Oh my God, I didn't realize there is so much more stuff going on. Yikes. So massive, you don't know, we have a vibe. So how we gonna do this? Let's just do a synopsis from Nissan, then we go to Isuzu, then Toyota over there again, and let's do it like this. So massive, it's like a you guys there are going to look what I go on. So make we do it like this. Yeah. So we'll do them party quick, you know. These are Nissan. So you don't know your original IS buses as well are here. You have the IS buses are here, and you have the new cars on display here as well. Sweet. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Sweet. So we're just really walking by right now. Yeah, you don't know, truck them there too. These Isuzu trucks. And yeah. The bus they look just like one IS, but it's not. A mad thing. I don't know. The Hilux. Them there. Beautiful car show, man. And there's a fork truck that have a car on it. Mad. So do not go on that. Well, there's two fork trucks having a car on it. Tell you how strong the fork trucks are. Hello. There you have it. A mad thing. Beautiful. And you have the Bobcat. I have some Bobcat here as well. Bobcat. And also you have the box truck them too. They call them the freezer truck. Very good for delivery. No joke. A mad thing. There's another showroom packed with cars. So let's take another look inside here. You know that there's another showroom, right? Really? Yeah, we're going to the next showroom. I didn't realize it would be this massive, big.
It's huge.
Yeah, and I've been recording since, so I'm trying to give the persons a very good example of what is going on here, man.
So there is another one.
Yeah, that's the other showroom that we're going inside right now. Hold this one. I'm gonna take out.
You need water or?
Hold this one, mate. It's recorded, so take time, just barely moving it. The video, you can go and video something.
Yeah, we're moving here. I'm taking over for Fabian just a little bit. We're seeing Red Bull here. Fabian is here.
Turner, video me, let me see if I can. Look at the screen.
Yeah, man, how are you doing?
What's up?
We're moving to Red Bull.
Let's go from the move. No, we don't want to go to the music. I let me plug this in.
Okay, man. I took over for Fabian for just a little bit, just to feel that. We're entering the second one, no? The second. To see more cars and to see more vehicles. Yeah, we're moving forward. This is the new part. So here is Hyundai. Hyundai. Oh.
Cars there.
Okay, let's see here. I think there is a tropical one. There is Tesla. Visit information. This tropical is have very cool bicycles, bikes. We see like this tropical one, and this is Tesla. No, like. Take over.
Oh, I wondering how was he doing? I hope that he was doing good. So we're at the Tesla spot. These are wow. Tropical mobility. Oh. This is a Tesla. Listen. Man, the robot car, man. The Tesla. So we're currently by the Tesla right now. Total Mobility. That's a company bringing in these Teslas in Jamaica. Yeah. Very roomy car, very spacious. And think, alright, let me just. Very big screen, very big display. Nice. A Tesla. Most persons are familiar with the Tesla. You know? Very nice. They're making bikes as well. That is it.
It's like you have a...
So let's go. The Tesla, man. Huh?
Do you like the bikes or?
Oh yeah, I do like the bikes, but I really don't ride bikes because, you know, once you fall off, some part is gonna be messed up, and I can't do that part, man. So yeah, so more cars.
Oh man, a lot of more cars.
There's a lot of more cars, isn't it?
It's huge. It was, like, look, the BED.
Yeah. Oh, now we're finding the BD. What we're gonna do? Let's just go to the left and then make our way around. All right. There's cars everywhere, bro. Cars everywhere. So these are what we have here.
Okay, so Karen, quick question.
Wow. MG. I'm not sure which brand car is this. The MG, but it's beautiful.
So what do you
The MG.
Is it that they get helmets with their purchase? You know, is there a sensitization done?
A load of new cars. MG. Alright. Different cars, bro. All right. So sometimes persons are in the car, don't want to put the cameras in the car as they are in there, but try to get a little shot of what it is so far. All right, these persons are leaving, so let's see if we can get to see inside of it. All right, this is it. All right. These cars are really nice.
And I see them right beside from the bike. So in 2 minutes, just tell us quickly about Stuart Cement.
Yes. This is a MG. That's fine, man. It's good. MG. Yeah, man, you're rubber for color, man. Yeah.
It's a
Nice electric car.
shopping experience, and we have products
Beautiful.
that the bank don't have. And I must just highlight it quickly.
Loads of car, massive. Oh my word. I didn't expect this video would be this long. Just to walk through looking at some cars.
Get your tax break if you come on.
Oh man, sheer driving experience. We are at the BMW, man. Yeah, bro. Machine.
Ease and the flexibility of doing business. So come on over to Stuart Finance. We will make it easy.
Look at this. Now we are at BMW. Whoa.
Thank you so much. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for Honda back at Stuart Finance.
Beautiful. BMW. Alright, since the young driver, you did not drive it. Me one day to go so fast, you know. So we have the BMW here, slick. Nice. Panoramic roof as well. You know, as I said, these are the more common cars in Jamaica, so we are very much familiar with these cars, every single brand and model of these cars. So, why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running, eh? I can go. Yeah, so nice, sweet. Can you open the door for me, madam? Thank you so much. Beautiful. Yeah, man, BMW. So we know about how beautiful these cars are, looking the interior of these cars and thing, you know what I mean? Look at it. So we are very much familiar with the BMW, most of the versions. So definitely have to showcase majority of the cars that persons are not familiar with. So no joke, no doubt. So beautiful.
That's right.
Nice.
Thank you everyone for showing up, turning out to this beautiful event powered by JPS. I am
That's a code, man. That's a code. No joke, no doubt.
in Concourse 2.
And over here now, the X2, and this is the new
Mr.
X2.
Richard Lee, who is the CEO of the company, he's going to explain to us.
Beautiful machine, beautiful. I realize that majority of the BMWs look similar. They just probably change up the SUV version or coupe or, you know, stuff like that, or the color of the interior. But they kind of look the same on the inside. Yeah. That's the outside a bit different. A mad thing. So over here now, we have the Mini. Ace man. This is nice here. Sebastian, this is nice. Classic.
We also represent Purple Plastic Greaser, DP Racing Fuels, Armorall, SCP, Permatex, Mother's Polish, WD-40, Prestone, Johnson.
Beautiful car, beautiful car.
Blue diesel exhaust fluid, which is a heat product. We also represent CRC. So come on over to our booth. We can also showcase some of our products. And along with the business, these car dealers, we can supply you with a lot of products. We also have.
So this is the most different interior I've seen so far here, with the circular display and some spaceship looking buttons that look like you're in a aircraft. Yeah, like you can press that button and it's a takeoff, and that one is for the landing gear. Yeah, it's beautiful, very unique. I love it about it. Oh, and you also get the panoramic roof too as well. It's beautiful. Just not the, oh, it looks like it can open too as well. That is it, no joke, no door. Nice. Beautiful car, beautiful car. Yeah. The Mini. And what do we have here? This is a bigger version of it. Wow.
Remember guys, this beautiful show is powered by JPS.
Wow. So it's like we are here, Massive. Just looking at cars. Sorry, bless up. Sorry.
Insurance companies.
It's a bigger version of the one that we looked at. And this is actually a smaller version of the ones that we look at. These just come with 2 doors.
Yes.
These are 2 doors. And look at it. Wow. Different kind of vibe, different kind of look. Nice. All right, let's go. Let's go through, man. There is so much car here, bro. All right, so we're just gonna do a quick breezy. Oh yes. My boss, we need everything good. All is well, man. Nice. And this is a Kia.
That was good, Kia.
Yeah, the Kia version over here. Mad. This is a spaceship. So clearly, this is a spaceship. This is the 2025 Kia EV9 GT line. Nice. This is big.
Big car, man. A huge truck. Do you like it or? Do you like it?
I love it. So we know Kia to be very luxurious. So what are you did I drive? Man, the big driver, man. I was wondering why the car was going so fast. Oh my word. So when they talk about Kia now, Kia features them just different. Look at this. The touch of a button. Yikes. Lights and the display and stuff like that. Kia always be winning with the interior and the feature, to be honest with you. But let me also be honest. All of this comes with a big price. This car is huge. It's beautiful. Very, very, very comfy. Look at this. The features are crazy. Oh my word. Kia. Marty. The Gia shows some things about the vehicle. Look at that. Camera is even moving in the wave view. Mad. I wonder how much this is going for. Where's the price tag? Let me see. This is Kia, bro. Can't expect nothing less from the spaceship company. I'm sorry, let me see if the price is there. All right, so it's a
that is a price.
$20 million. Oh my word. This is crazy. Wow. So For 20 million, you can definitely walk away with one of this. And I overheard her saying she can give a better price. So if your money right now, you probably can get it for 18 million something. You cannot expect any less from Kia. Kia is just like one of those cars that always stand out, to be honest with you. And I must say, always fully loaded, always unique, always one of the trendsetter too. Because many of the features I always see it in the Kias first. You understand? No joke. So 20 million, get a few discount. This is the 2025 Kia. So let's do this. Oh my word, beautiful car. Machine. Boy, I tell you, and this seems to be a smaller version of the bigger one over here. Let's see how much this one coming in at. And this one coming in at 11 million. So you probably can get this for maybe like 9 if you're based on who you talk to, I guess. So, and this is a smaller version over here. Alright. Sorry, thank you. And this is the Kia Sorento. I really did love the Kia Sorento. As I said, I did love it because once I realized the police start using this car, I tend to stay far from it. You know what I mean? Yeah, because you know, be branded and they have them in a unmarked and they have them in a mark. So I say, oh, I don't really want a police car. So I kind of just stay far from the one there. But that's just my reason. You see me I say? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. We still a walk, we still a go on. Over here, so now we have some new machine too as well. You see me? Yeah, the Taycan. This is the Taycan. Or Taycan, I want to pronounce it right. Mad machine. The vehicle come off like the Porsche. You would think it's a Porsche when you see it at first glance, but definitely the Chinese, them not play, brother. Beautiful car. Yeah, man. Let me see how much you can get this car for. You priced upon it? Is it priced upon it? I'm not seeing the price on this right here, but probably can ask how much this car is going for. But yeah, this car definitely look like the Porsches. And this is the Macan. You have the Taycan, the Macan. These seem to be electric cars or something, yeah. There's no engine in the engine bay.
No, nothing. But it sounds like crazy.
Oh my word, bro. Hey, watch your back. Let's see if we can see inside of it. Wow, inside is beautiful. Look like we have like a 20-inch rim on there too as well. Wow, the inside is very slick. Wow. Super beautiful. Wow. So you can get these cars at Porsche. So let me read this here. Yeah, this one is definitely the Porsche. Yeah. So that means that one over there is a Porsche too as well, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. I want to know. Boy, me never want to. Excuse me. So these cars are Porsche, right?
Yes,
especially that one, right? Because I saw the name and I was like really confused. Like, huh? Is it Taycan?
Taycan.
And this one is what?
Macan Turbo.
Oh, and it's still Porsche. Thank you so much for that clarification. So these are all electric?
These two are electric.
Are electric. All right, let me ask one question before I go. What's the price on this car?
28 million.
28 million. Oh, thank God, it's not so bad because I've seen cars here for 40 million. I could buy 2 house, but this one looks really good for the price based on this. And this one is for 38. Big up yourself here. That one over there is for $60 million. Yo, that car is for $60 million. Big up to all of my eye spender, my eye rollers, them blessings and respect who can afford it, you know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. But these are beautiful cars. If your pocket can reach it, definitely a must buy. I can't tell you nothing different. That's all I can say. If your pocket can reach it, come and buy it. if you want to drive in style, comfort, and be like the rich man, you can do it. Because these cars are just wonderful. Me can't say nothing. If me can buy, me just walk. But you understand, for 30 odd million, 20 odd million, and 60 odd million, yeah, you can own a Porsche. No joke, no doubt. You don't know me talking like it is. Once the money can buy, come buy a pretty car, man. No joke. Look good. Oh, you mean? I want life. Sebastian. So we have a car over here for 30-something million, right? We have one over here for some reason I'm loving the one that is for 20-something million, which is this one in the middle.
Yeah, man.
For some reason, I just love the style of it, the design of it. I really, really love that one in the middle.
I like it. I also like that one in the middle.
In the middle?
Yeah, it's sick.
All right, and the one over on the end is for $60 million.
Wow, it's expensive. You never know, man. You never know.
If you can afford it, buy it.
You can afford to buy it.
Yeah, that's what I can say. If I can't, I'm just gonna step. Let's keep walking. Yeah, let's keep walking. I don't even want to scratch it, but I think one of this one Vibes Cartel buy the other day.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think this was one that Vibes Cartel buy the other day. Yeah, it's crazy.
It's beautiful. It's art.
Beautiful. And this is the Audi. So we are by the Audi section now. Yeah. No joke, no doubt.
I think this is Cristiano car, no? Real Madrid players car.
Oh, you're saying that this is his version of cars?
Yeah, it's Real Madrid players. I think they have this car.
Oh, you're saying that Cristiano has one of this?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, this is nice. I wonder how much these cars just look mad expensive, bro. I don't even know what to say. If you can afford it, go ahead, man. Buy it. So I'm just pretty much going through. Many of us are very familiar with these cars, so you know what I mean? We're just moving a bit faster at this side by the Audi section. Man, let me see if I can look in this one real quick. This one is closed, we can't see in this one. Which one can we see inside of? I'm somebody inside of this one. I wonder if we can see in this one. The Q7. All right, no joke. Let's move along. So it's a vibe, it's an energy massive. It's a big show. This is the last showroom. So, wow. Just wow, just wow. Over here is the BYD. The BYD is a big seller right now in Jamaica. The BYD is actually going crazy in Jamaica. Let's see. So these are the big seller right now in Jamaica. I'm just doing a quick synopsis of it. This is a seat, what it looks like. Bit of spaceship kind of looking interior. Very big display screen. No joke, no doubt. Very affordable prices. As you can see, the door interior is very nice too as well. Very sturdy. No joke. Also comes with the panoramic roof. No joke, no doubt. Blessings and respect. Yeah. And that's for this seems to be an electric car too as well. There's no engine there, which is super nice. The BYD. Nice, nice, nice. We're just moving through very fast. Let me just ask this young man real quick. I see you have a shirt, the BYD. One question I'm gonna ask you. What's the price on this car?
This is for 11.5.
11.5?
11.5.
Oh, thank God. I thought this would be a very much more expensive car. But based on what it looks like, is it fully electric?
Yeah, it's fully electric.
Fully electric. No, Joe, no. I was looking for the engine in the engine bay and there's none.
There's no engine.
Blessings and respect. Not because you work with a company, but don't you think you'll be expecting this car to be way more expensive?
Yeah, I would, but then again, we are making it affordable to the customers, right?
Yeah, I keep saying it all day. So sooner or later, a normal person will be driving a luxurious car, each and every one.
Most definitely, most definitely.
BYD is one of those one of these companies.
Of course, most definitely.
Definitely, no joke, no doubt. It's Jamaica walk by. Respect for talking, bro. No joke, no doubt. Yeah, man. That is a beautiful car. You cannot doubt that. You cannot go around that. Right now, OMG. My brother. Are you call me this? Are you trouble? I haven't seen you in years, brother. We chatted there. You know that whole about again? Big up our respect. So massive, this is one of the men I know before I know myself. You understand? I know the man I find in the 90s. Me I talk about way down in 1997. I know this man from me just born. Big up our respect, my bro. You still doing the same thing I do? Eh? That is it, man. No joke. Yeah, this guy's one guy with respect, you know what I mean? Because we were kids together. Really? Yes, I know this guy long before I know myself. He was a very good friend of mine. And he's always a humble guy. No joke, no doubt, man. Good to see you again, my teacher. We need a number. So, take a number for me, please. Yeah, massive. So, what they are going to do it, no joke, no doubt. Look good. So, BYD really taking the market by storm and thing. You see me? Yeah, man. That's a code. So, massive. This is pretty much it. The car show has been going great and all of them things there. You see it? So, the BYD them definitely going great. And we have Honda over here now. Oh, you mean? You don't know? Honda, classic car. Can't go around that. All of us used to. The big engine them, bad machine. You see me? This is a Civic. You understand? Type R. No joke, no doubt. Super. Nice free flow and thing. Yeah, man. So we're familiar with our brand new Honda, our drop drawers, them as we call them, you know what I mean? Honda, get me a girl number, blouse and skirt. So them got the red and black interior for the Honda, no joke, no doubt. You see me? Beautiful Civic, can't go around it. Yeah, man. The Honda get enough girl phone number. Bro, beg one I number now. I Honda me just see you come out of riff and you get here, say Honda, get me a girl phone number, like. Cheese and paste machine. No joke, no doubt. Bro, how much a car I go for right now?
10.5.
Only 10.5?
Yeah, man, only 10.5. Today and tomorrow.
Only for today and tomorrow?
Yeah, man, outside of that, 10.8.
Jaja, no, so we still get a deal, we still get a bargain. Which year is this car?
This one is a 2024. The original price is 12.2. Now we actually cut the price down to move it 2024.
Respect and manners, man. No joke, no doubt, bro. That is it. So, bossy machine and thing, you see me? A Honda, a durable, affordable, and actually durable. You can go through, my friend. Yeah. So, there you have it for the car show. You don't know, 2025, the biggest car show in Jamaica. You understand? Crazy machine out, and it's been a great day. I could just close it right here. So, Sebastian, how was the day?
It was amazing. Thank you very much. Greetings to all my friends in Amsterdam and in Lima. Thank you very much, Alan, Fabian. It was amazing.
Yeah, man. Big up and respect, man. So we just walked through my virgin Sebastian, and we had a great, awesome vibe and thing. It was pretty good. We get to learn about a lot of cars, the prices, the features, the specs, everything. And it was great, and we just enjoy our vibe. And we're gonna just walk through, look, get some food to eat, get something to drink, yes, and all of that. We've been walking. Everyone has been walking with us. We hope you enjoy the video. If you watch this today on a Saturday night, definitely they're gonna be here tomorrow, so you can come on down to do exactly what we did and probably take some picture and go in some of them car, get to rev, get to pull, whatever. So come and have fun. So the event is for 2 days. Today's what? The 10th. So today is the 10th and tomorrow is the 11th. So they're going to be here the 10th and the 11th. So whatever time you see this, if on the 10th or 11th, don't bother come. But if it's the 10th or the 11th, you can still forward. Zin, heart of love, mad respect. Big up to all my members on Jamaica Walk By. I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to Jamaica Walk By and actually, giving a donation every single month to say Jamaica Walk By. We appreciate your videos. So if you want to be a member, please just subscribe for membership. It's just only $1 per month, bro. Yes. Are you a member yet?
Yes.
Alright, make sure you're gonna follow Sebastian and be a member of Jamaica Walk By. So thank you so much. Big up and respect to everybody who watched the video. It was a great day. Big up to all the car companies here. Super appreciate every single one of you. No joke, no doubt. Blessings and love to everybody out there in the media. Big up to all the YouTubers them too. No joke, no doubt, as we close it right here. Mad thing. Let's do this.